Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel Developer Duraid. In this video, I'm going to show you top 5 mistakes beginner programmers make. Some of you might not understand how I am executing the code using terminal. You can just use browser console for execution. If you want to know how I am executing the code in the terminal, tell me in the comments and I will make a video on this. So the first mistake you do is to use the var keyword. In modern JavaScript there is no place for var keyword because of it's come up with many problems when we try to redeclare or update the variable. Like in this example, we are redeclaring the variable while using var and it not even giving us any warning. This can lead severe bugs when the project gets a little bigger. Instead you can use the let or const keyword to declare the variables, or should I say only use let and const keywords to declare the variables. Only use var when it is necessary. The next problem comes up with the let keyword. You should think what the problem with the let keyword because it is not redeclarable. But the problem is it is updatable. Most of the variables we use in our project don't need any update, but let allows you to update. And you can sometimes update the variable by mistake. That's why only use const keyword, and when you see that you need to update this variable then just go to that variable and convert it to let. This seems stupid at first place, but it is a good practice and sometimes can save your hours of debugging. The next mistake beginner programmers make is the naming variables. You should not name the variable as a B or C, because it is difficult to remember the use cases of variable and why we created the variable at the first place. You can name the variables according to their use cases. The next mistake beginner programmers make is forgetting to save consistently. Because if you are working on a file for an hour and then a sudden power cut or your software or PC crashes, your whole hard work will be destroyed in seconds. The solution is to go to your File tab and then click on the autosave button. It will automatically save your all files along the way you are writing the code. So this is it for this video. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe my channel and share this video to your fellow programmers. You can also follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.